Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look right here that I created with the Huda Beauty Nude palette. So I created this look. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. But before you do so, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell down below so you could get notified every time I upload a video. And also do not forget to follow me on my social media that I will link down below, my Instagram, my Snapchat. So once again, if you want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So I already applied my foundation and everything off camera because I just want to jump straight into the video. So today I'm going to be using the Nude Huda palette. This is a new palette that she came out with. And it looks like this. And I'm going to start off by taking Secret. I'm just going to be putting this color as my transition color. Next I'm going to be taking Teddy. Next I'm going to go in with Raw. Next I'm taking Spank. Next I'm going to go in with Conceal, and I'm just going to define where I'm going to be putting my eyeshadow. And I'm going to be taking Fantasy. I'm actually going to go in with my pinky and taking the color. Next I'm going to take this one right here, which is Infatuated. Next I'm going to be taking Crave. And I'm just applying this color to the inner corner. Next I'm going to go in back with Raw and applying that to the bottom lash line. Next, going in with the Pop Beauty Contour 101 palette, I'm going to take the shade Highlight to apply it to my brow bone highlight. For lashes, I'm taking the Lily Lashes in the style Mykono. So first I'm going to be taking my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And I'm going to apply my eyelashes. Off camera, I do have a detailed video on how to apply your eyelashes that I will link down here or somewhere on the video, so you could go ahead and check that out, and I'll be right back. Next to contour, I'm going to go back in with my Pop Beauty 101. And I'm going to take the shade Scope. For blush, I'm taking the shade Blush. For highlight, I'm taking the shade Highlight. To set everything, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Powder. For the lips, I'm going to take this Jouer lipstick in the shade Noisette. Last but not least, I'm going to finish off by spraying my face with this Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!